mind, but he is so clumsy that he makes a mess. Look, he made a mess and he's saying no. He's saying no. You can't have my Peppo and I do things. Mom. All
D.
What is this?
Is it D-A-Y? What's A-Y?
Day. But what is this word?
What's it begin?
Together all day until Daddy comes home. When it's bedtime, I sometimes don't know where Peppo is, and I have to look for him.
Oh, find Pippo first. Have Timothy find Pippo before you turn the page.
Where's Pippo? Look, it's so silly. Oh, he's stuck. Why is he looking in the sea? Pippo can't open a door and go in the sea.
Maybe he went there sometime during the day to get something for his mom and thought maybe he'd forgotten him there. But I hope Pippo's not in there.
No, it isn't. He's behind the toy box.
Timothy said he squished.
Because when I need when it's time to go to sleep, I need to be with Peppo.
Oh, great job.